Once you finish your orientation, you want to click on your work and double check to make sure that you have all of your points and that everything is complete. You'll have your course loaded and you'll be ready to go on your first document. Remember, the goal is to complete a document a week. I will load your requests one at a time. So 1.1 should take 1 week. There's 5 days of work, an hour a day, just like any other class. When you open up this document, give it some time to load. It's huge. It's like a textbook. On a mobile device, hit that square arrow button so that you can edit in the Docs app. You will need the Google Apps on your mobile device in order to use these. On a tablet, you can also drag the bar very quickly to the day that you need, or you can use the table of contents here. The first day is a lot like the orientation, where you're going through posts and taking links to other places to complete your assignment. After that, it should look very textbook. Here's a question, here's an answer. Everywhere where it's highlighted, that's where you know you need a complete sentence answer response. Take time to do good writing on these documents so that you get full points. When you go back into your Google Classroom, you'll hit that turn in button, and I'll check it for you to make sure that it's absolutely your best work. I'll give you some feedback, and you can turn it in as many times as you need to until you hit 100. You'll have less work to do if you do your edits for mastery. You'll be more successful in the course. Remember, there's 5 units to choose from. You need 3 to pass and all 5 for an A+. And each unit has 3 documents. It takes 3 weeks to complete. You want to complete that document with 100 points. We'll go through the revision process so that you move up each week until you get the grade that you want. And I'll give you a note to make sure you know that you leveled up. So in IC, you'll be able to see how you're doing with your levels and if you're on track. And then your points for your assignments will be in your work in your Google Classroom. And you'll be able to click on that at any time and see your points, what you've turned in, what you haven't, and really especially check on those comments to make sure that you're hitting mastery every week to level up.